Hello, and welcome to Shuffle, a math strategy presentation, brought to you by Elizabeth Casanari and Hannah Valancourt, as part of the requirement for SPED 8915 at Fitchburg State University. First, we will explain what the Shuffle strategy is. Then, we will review how Shuffle works. Following this, you will learn who Shuffle is for, and finally, why you would use it. So what exactly is the Shuffle strategy? It is a teacher-designed, student-focused learning strategy. It is a strategy that spans all grade levels and can be used across all subject areas, from math to ELA to science and STEM. It is a strategy that involves the dynamic pairing of students who are placed together in time-based increments to solve teacher-designed problems. The Shuffle strategy promotes student focus on the subject matter and provides student movement throughout the lesson. Think of it as a modified version of musical chairs. Now that we understand what Shuffle is, how does it work? The teacher designs and provides the problems to be solved. Additionally, the teacher sets a time limit for each problem. All students will require the materials necessary to solve the problems, such as pen and paper or notebook. Students assigned as stationary will also require the problems to be solved. Students start off by facing their partner. One student is assigned to be stationary. The other student is assigned to shuffle. The stationary student never moves from their seat, and the shuffling student moves to a new partner when time is up for that problem. And only one problem is worked on at a time. The stationary student reads off the problem to the shuffling student, and then both students work on that problem. When they complete their work, they can show their notebooks or papers to their partners. Students are not allowed to verbally express their solutions during this period because other students are also working on that problem. They can, however, discuss what went wrong if their answers don't match, or to ask clarifying questions about the problem. When the time is up for that problem, the teacher will call out shuffle, and the shuffling student then moves to the next station, where the process begins again. Students shuffle until all of the assigned problems are solved. Students may not work ahead, but must instead work on the assigned problem. This way, all groups of pairs are working on the same problem at the same time when they shuffle. Once all students finish all of the assigned problems in the shuffle, the teacher will review the solutions. Who is Shuffle for? There are no grade limits on Shuffle, as it is easily adapted to all subject areas and grade levels. There are no ability levels on Shuffle, as participation can be adapted to need. Indeed, Shuffle is for you, for me, and for everybody. And now that we know what Shuffle is, how Shuffle works, and who Shuffle is for, why would you use the Shuffle strategy in your classroom? Well, this strategy focuses on students, student interaction, and increases both peer-to-peer interaction among all students and promotes teamwork as shifting pairs work to provide solutions to the problems that they have been presented. Further, the Shuffle strategy increases opportunities to engage with content, whether it is math, civics, science, ELA, or something else, all while increasing opportunities to engage with subject matter language and vocabulary. Indeed, when students shuffle, they are building their communication skills and their problem-solving abilities. In addition, the Shuffle strategy welcomes differentiation. Teachers can modify student groupings according to a wide variety of considerations: matched abilities, matched social skills, pairings based on behavior, or the intentional but careful matching of students with opposing abilities and skills. Teachers can also modify content and access points, meaning that some students may answer particular problems while other students answer a different set of problems. Teachers can further differentiate by allowing a variety of responding. In other words, some students may answer some portion of a problem, while others answer all of it. Some students may write their responses, some may type, some others may verbalize their response, and still others may use an assisted communication device. And finally, the shuffle strategy allows for flexibility in application. Shuffle can be used to learn new content or review old content. Shuffle can be used as a pre-assessment, a checkpoint, or an informal post-assessment. It is the diverse nature of Shuffle and its ability to be easily modified that makes Shuffle a welcome learning strategy in any classroom. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Shuffle strategy. We hope you find this to be one more tool in making learning fun and engaging for your students.